Welcome to another edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love. This is our Living in the Hamptons, like a local edition. We're down here on our favorite beach. Lots of activity out here. We were just told that the drones saw sharks in the water, so be careful. So not too many people in the water. If you guys are watching the news right now, there's lots of shark bites, they call them, I guess. So this is like 5 instances of shark bites. I think they're maybe sand sharks or something, but I don't know. So I'm gonna stay in about maybe knee deep, chest deep, get wet and get out. But there's a lot of bluefish feeding out here. A guy just caught one down the beach. Good sized bluefish, but if you know bluefish, they eat anything and everything. There's lots of bunker fish here off of Long Island, off of East Hampton, and the bluefish will feed on those. And I think all that activity ends up attracting, I guess any type of shark. But it's interesting. Water's probably about 72 degrees. Great day for a swim. You just have to be careful, that's all. Not enough to keep you out of the water completely. But it's a little unsettling. I wouldn't be swimming out over my head for too long. But that's it. Signing off. Wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love from the beach here in East Hampton.